Top 20 Indian History GK. Which is the oldest civilization in India? Answer: Indus Valley Civilization. Around which year did the Aryans arrive in India? Answer: around 1500 BC. How many Mahajanpadas were there during the Mahajanpadas period? Answer: 16 Mahajanpadas. Who was the Prime Minister during the reign of Chandragupta Maurya? Answer: Chanakya Kautilya. Which religion did Ashoka adopt after the Kalinga War? Answer: Buddhism. Who was the founder of the Gupta dynasty? Answer: Sri Gupta. Where was the capital of Harshvardhan? Answer: Kanauj. Who founded the Pratihara dynasty? Answer: Nagbhata first. Which tradition was followed by Rani Padmini in the Battle of Chittor? Answer: Jauhar tradition. When and between whom did the Battle of Haldighati take place? Answer: in 1576 AD between Maharana Pratap and Man Singh. What was the real name of Rana Sanga? Answer: Maharana Sangram Singh. When did the first Battle of Panipat take place? Answer: in 1526 AD between Babur and Ibrahim Lodi. When was the famous king of Chauhan dynasty Prithviraj Chauhan born? Answer: 1166 AD. In which year was the first battle of Tarain fought? Answer: in 1191 AD between Prithviraj Chauhan and Muhammad Ghori. Who was the famous Rajput warrior of Mewar who fought against the Mughals? Answer: Maharana Pratap. When and between whom did the Battle of Plassey take place? Answer: in 1757 AD between Siraj ud-Daulah and the British East India Company. Which Rajput rulers were with the British in the Revolution of 1857? Answer: rulers of Jaipur, Jodhpur and Bikaner. When did Swami Vivekananda give a historical speech in Chicago? Answer: 1893 AD. When did India get independence? Answer: 15 August 1947. When was the Indian National Congress established? Answer: 1885 AD. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel.